How to see Snapchat recap. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your recap on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. If not, head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open and tap on gallery icon on your bottom left. As you do so, you will see memories on your top of the screen. Now here, if you have been using Snapchat for over a year, it will show you all of your memories just here. And you can also see the recap here as well. In case you would like to create a recap or just a photo album of your photos, just tap on create at the bottom of your screen, tap on quick edit, then it will add lens to your memories. From here, just choose any lens that you would like, and you can create yourself your own memories on Snapchat. That is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.